Hey everyone, it's me, Melody. So these are my current nails. I put a little flower on the bear. These items are not from this set, but I have another Amazon haul to show. So this is the first thing that's come in. This is the same thing that I got as like in last week's haul. I got another one. I really like the pink set. Which I'm not gonna show this one. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna open it and just show it all because I think there's some different stuff in here. So this is everything that is in that pack. There's supposed to be 300 of them. I do see different things than what I got last time. I think I have this one. Not sure. Sorry about my finger. There's just different ones in here than last time. I'm about to show from last time. I don't think I got this rabbit though. But I do see a lot of repeats, which is fine. Another rabbit head, but this is the ones from last time. I'm gonna add the other set that I just got to all of this, and I'll show the end. So here's everything sorted. And I'm just waiting for 2 more packages about this size to get here. So these are the other 300 piece flowers that I got. And they come in this case. And they're all individually kind of wrapped by what it is to make easier for sorting. So I'm gonna sort this out in a container and then show the end result. So here's a close-up of them. This is all of it organized. So the final package finally got here. I can already tell there's different things from last time, which I'm actually excited about. So last time I don't think I got these, which I can't wait to use these because I need more purple stuff in my belongings. So I'm gonna go through all this, show it, sort it. So I can already tell I don't have some of this stuff in this container, which is nice. Like I don't have this, I don't have these, I don't have this little rose or some of the other stuff that's in here, which I'm happy about because I can add it to all this. So I changed some stuff up. So I had to use 2 containers for all the purples. And then I noticed when I was going through the new bag that I got today of the purples, there was some pink stuff in it. So I just moved it over to here. So there is some of these. And then there was also some of these that were considered pink. I do need to check this because I think it has some of these in the purple set and they might not be purple, so I'm gonna check that in a sec. But this is all the pinks. And this is all the purples. I'm thinking of buying more of the purple and the pink set because I just got different stuff in each time, so that is it for my haul. Oh, and there's also this that I sorted out. So that is it for everything. Thanks for watching. Bye.